Hello everyone! Want to erase those puffy jowls and get a perfectly defined jawline? Today, we're doing an easy 7-minute morning Gua Sha routine that will completely transform your face. Apply your favorite facial oil, grab your Gua Sha tool, and let's get started. Apply cream or oil to the area around the lips, and with light movements, prepare the muscles for the massage, warming them up beforehand.
Is a brand new door. You can walk back in to your own heart's core.
Using a Gua Sha tool, create a gentle tension in the tissues around the mouth. Then, using the narrower edge of the tool, begin to thoroughly work the tissues with firm, rubbing strokes along the gums toward the teeth. Hold the tool at approximately a 45-degree angle to work the tissues effectively and comfortably.
Choose yourself in
This technique deeply relaxes the muscles around your mouth. It prevents lip lines, reduces puffiness, and gives your lips a beautiful, natural plumpness.
coffee going cold, scrolling through the news, all those shining faces telling you you lose. Lift your tired eyes from that tiny screen. There's a bigger sky than the one you've seen. Oh yeah. Always remember your mission when the noise gets loud. Open your heart to miracles right here, right now. Every day you are the world. You are enough somehow. Choose yourself in It's a quiet vow made under your breath. I'll be on my side until my last step. When you fall apart, when you feel too much, be the hand you need. Be your own soft.
Next, we work on the cheek muscles using the Gua Sha tool. Anchor the tissue with your middle and index fingers to ensure a precise and comfortable massage. Then, work the area with the tool, keeping it at about a 45-degree angle to the skin surface.
You are enough somehow.
Why work the cheek muscles? It releases deep tension, sculpts the cheekbones, and helps soften nasolabial folds. Holding the skin with your fingers is key. It makes sure we massage the muscle without stretching the skin.
So sincerely now.
Now we will perform the buckle technique to deeply work the cheek muscles and the area around the mouth. Gently place your thumb inside your mouth and the palm of your other hand on the outside to anchor the tissues. Begin with soft circular and pressing movements, gradually increasing the depth of pressure. Then, add a slight stretch to the tissues. Your outer hand stabilizes them, while your thumb delicately shifts them forward. Work slowly, without sliding across the skin, focusing on the deep muscle layers. This technique helps relieve high muscle tension, improve tissue mobility, increase elasticity, and stimulate microcirculation. Regular practice promotes deeply relaxed cheek muscles, improves the quality of the perioral tissues, and helps create softer, more harmonious facial contours. While performing this, maintain moderate pressure and avoid squeezing the tissues too hard or creating deep skin creases. Now let's focus on the muscle around the mouth. Place your thumbs inside your mouth and your index fingers on the outside to gently hold the tissue. Start kneading the lip muscles with smooth squeezing and stretching motions. Gradually work your way around the entire lip area, moving step by step. Make sure not to slide across the skin. Instead, gently grip and stretch the muscles themselves. This technique is great for relaxing the mouth area, boosting blood flow, and improving elasticity. Doing this regularly keeps the tissues mobile, gives you a beautifully defined lip contour, and leaves the whole area feeling soft and relaxed. Just remember to keep your movement smooth, without pressing too hard or overstretching the tissue. And that's it for the massage. If you do this regularly, your face will look more sculpted, the tissues will feel more elastic, and your lips will look fuller and well-groomed. Thank you all. Love you guys.